Ossifrage, a heavenly bird from Iran. In the real world, ossifrage is an actual animal, a bird that eats bones of corpse. But in Iranian literature, it is a sign of blessing, so that's what makes ossifrage a legend. In Persian, ossifrage is called Homa. Iranians used to believe that if Homa's shadow falls on someone, that person will become happy and prosperous. In Iranian stories, when a king had no successor, Wazir released a Homa. When the Homa sits on someone's head, he will be the next king. Homa is one of the most precious legends in poems and stories. For example, listen to this Persian poem recited by Maulana, an Iranian poet. اگر عالم هما گیرد نجوید سایش عاشق که او سرمست عشق آن همای نامور باشد.